Guys, it's Sunday jollof rice. I'll finish it. Ooh. Sunday jollof. I have boiled eggs there because everybody must have protein. And then I have plantain. What's going on this early Sunday morning? Obviously, this will serve as lunch for my son tomorrow, Monday. There's one chicken and meat here. Fresh orange juice. You guys, it's a flex. I'll take it here. Hot. Yes, it's hot, Mama. I just got this for my daughter, and I said I want to homeschool my daughter. I decided to get some materials for her. I think I didn't order for this one, but I think it's a gift. Maybe 2-story book. Mama, draw a circle. Mama, draw a circle. Yeah. What is this, Mama? Mama. Mama. Good job, banana. Good job. What is this one, Mama? Apple. Apple, yes, apple. Eat. Mama, don't eat everything. Ant. Yes, she said this one is ant, ladybird. Ant. Ant. Mama, this one. How about this one? No. Ice cream. Mama, don't lick it now. Mama. Eat. What's this one? Eat. Good job, fish. Butter. Pink. Butter. Fish. Yes, butter paint fish. Mama. Butter. Pink. Yes. What about this one? I should clean it, Mama. Yeah. Okay. What's this? Good. Good job, sweet. Mama, is that everything you eat? You should tell her how to eat everything. Mama, this one. Wow. Cat. Good job, kite. Yeah. Mama, what is this one? Cake. Yes, cake. Good job, Mama. Wow. Mama, what is this? Cat. Good job, carrot. Mama, what is this one? Cat. Good job, cat. Mama, what is this one? Bear. Good job, yeah. Mama, what is this one? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Bird, Mama. Yes, it makes the sound cuckoo. Mama, what is this? Kick, yes. Good job. See this one? Yes, star. Good job. Which song is that one? You know the funny song. Maybe it's me that don't know it. Oh yeah, let's count, Mama. 1. Good job. 2, 3. 2. Mama, everything is not 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Mama, why do you beat me, Mama? Yes, 1. Should I count the butterflies? Yeah. 1, 2. You guys, I gave sit down video another shot of filming, and I don't know what to think about it because Okay, so I gave another shot to a sit down video, like all the sit down videos, and I was talking about maybe that video will come before this or this one will come before it. I'm not sure. I was talking about how I started homeschooling my daughter, and even though a part of me is like, abort mission. You guys, let me place people down somewhere. I'm coming. As I was saying, giving another shot to sit down video, and I don't know if it's okay. I don't know. I'll try. Hopefully, if you see that video before this one or after this one, just know I succeeded in making that video work because I was just blabbing. You guys, I was blabbing throughout. That means there'll be a lot of cuts. I even forgot. I don't know if it's mommy brain. I'm forgetting a lot. Like I will just start talking and then I'll pause because I don't know the next thing to say. I know it, but like it just skipped my mind. I don't even know how to explain it. So anyway, if you see that video, know that I succeeded. If you don't see that video, know that I failed at it again and we move again. We try again, literally. We're not giving up. So what do you guys think about my haircut? I think this is the first time I'm officially showing you how it looks. Not bad, but I'm seeing a different color here. I don't even know. I don't understand it. The hair has grown because the so-called, what are they calling it? Is it carving or shape or whatever they did here? It's covering up. You can barely see it now. And yeah, so that's about that. Another thing, oh, this is my Temu nails. Oh, don't know if you can see it. This is my Temu nails. This can serve as thumbnail. Okay, so there's something else I wanted to say. You guys, anything you need to live an healthy lifestyle, do better, be better at your health, be better at whatever you're doing, do it because time moves, time flies, things are changing, people are doing it, people are moving. You will just be there, people are moving. Literally, do those things that will make you happy. And as far as it's reasonable, not something so wild, do things that will make you happy. Even though you're not making so much progress in that thing, at least you know in your heart that you've tried, you've put in that effort, you've put in that work, you've done something for yourself. And that is to say, my blender, my essence blender, I'm going to link it because just for context for you to know what I'm talking about. If you want to see what I'm talking about, my essence food processor, blender, whatever. It's a food processor, my AI machine. I've been using it to juice orange, you guys. And I don't know why I had an excuse not to buy this thing for years. Because obviously, the moment I turned 30, I'm 35 now. TMI. It's not TMI, I mean, don't the old. Even though I don't look it, I'm 30. Okay, maybe I look it too. Let me not hype myself. I'm 35 and September babies, we make a big deal about it, but I didn't make a big deal about it. I don't even want to. Like, I'm at that, maybe it's the age. I don't care. Anything that poses a stress to my life, I take you out. That's why I cut my hair because it looked like I'm not a hair person and it was just stressing me. It was stressing me to make. My hair would just be flying around. And I'm like, okay, let me even cut it. And I didn't want to give you that cut that you're not going to be coiling it. How many tutu? I'm not in for that stress. So anything air stress, I just let me know that it's my daughter I'm concentrating on. And yeah, if it goes back, if I feel like doing any other style, sorry, my daughter is here. If I feel that's why I'm using my mic. If I feel like doing any other style, I will just start. I mean, I'm just going with the roll. Anyhow, things there, I just they move. Anything that comes to my mind, I just move. So, like I was saying before I digress, I started juicing like that orange juice. You guys, I now take fresh oranges and I'm looking for a way to even transition my children from all these artificial drinks, fizzy drinks to just orange drinks because I mean now I have something that can easily process that thing and that is another step to living an healthy lifestyle. So my exercises, I'm doing better at it. My water intake, we're still struggling with that one. God help me. I drink natural orange juice in my house. It's a flex, though. It's a flex. See, I have to be happy. It's a flex if you don't know. It's a flex that you can drink natural juice. Say flex, my dear, and it's just so easy to process. I'm even thinking of getting an half bag of orange, like all those big bags now. There's a woman that sells this wholesale things. It's what I want for my family. I can't think of other juices for now. So my detox stuff that I do, I still do that one. I'm going to link a video in case you don't know what I'm saying again. I've made a video for it. Also, I'm going to do lemon water so that I'll be able to drink it every morning. If you need to just put things in place that will give you people an healthy lifestyle, your life, your family, whatever you need to do, if it's that diet, go into that diet. See, in as much as I'm not consistent with things, I find myself doing one thing again to make things better. My exercise is down. Sometimes I am not consistent with it. That's just the honest truth. But I just find myself bringing something up that will make me go back into that routine again. Do you get what I mean? That means if I exercise for like 5 days and the next 5 days I don't exercise, best believe I'm doing something else that is adding to my health, that is of benefit to my health or to my life. I'm steadily doing one thing or the other that benefits my health, my lifestyle, my family, my growth, or whatever. So it might not just be that one thing, but I'm doing other things. Do you get? So yeah, I think maybe it's being consistent that is your problem. For we that are not consistent with things, God help us. It's a serious major prayer point. And please, if you're consistent with things, good. I'm happy for you. Bravo. But if you're not, I'm just saying that I always go back to one thing or the other. If I'm adding this one, I'm taking this one out. There's something I'm adding back to my routine, if you get what I mean. So yeah, so that's just what I wanted to gist you about. We're progressing in our homeschooling things. We are doing well. The girl likes to write. She likes to do things. That's about that. We have talked so much in this video. And what else? If I remember again, I'll come back and gist you. Enough said, and I'll talk to you in my next clip.